Hello everyone, this is Alejandra Gomez, and I am featuring again another quick and easy card. And this one is going to be a best wishes. I am going to be featuring one of the celebration stamp sets that you get for free whenever you purchase $100. Typically, with the celebration or most of the items from celebration, as you have heard me in my past videos, is that you get an item for free every time you purchase $50. So at least the majority of the items are $50. You have stamp sets and card kits, design series paper, memory, and more. And a card bases with envelopes, and my favorite stamp set, which is these little pandas. But there are two items that are free when you purchase $100, and one of them is this great thinlits that I'll be using soon, as well as this stamp set that has a lot of sayings. And so if you don't know that by now, through March 31st, we're still going on through the celebration, and you get an item for free out of this catalog every time you purchase $50 or $100 in this case for this item. So anyway, if you don't have your copy of your occasions catalog as well as the celebration catalog, let me know and I'll be more than happy to send you one on the mail. You can go to creatingwithali.com and leave me a note there, and I'll sure will send you your copy of one of each on your mail. So anyway, so the other item that I'm going to be featuring here is the Sweet Soiree Specialty Design Series paper, which is this one. And I honestly feel like this one is another one of those that it's a must-have. Every single sheet of paper has foil in it, and so it just looks gorgeous, seriously. It has bold flowers, there's a cake, there's also this strip one, and then they have this one with the polka dots. I don't know if there's polka dots, but we had the dots here. And so anyway, it's just gorgeous. So I'm sure every project that you create with that one will look fantastic. So the words that I am picking is best wishes, because I feel like it could go for anything really. And so here are my card. So my card base is powder pink, and this one is 5.5 by 8.5. Then I have a piece of whisper white, and this one is 4 by 5 1/4. I have then a piece of that design series paper, and you can see it looks amazing. And again, it has the silver foil. And this one is 3 3/4 by 5. And I have these two pieces, and this is powder pink and whisper white, and this one is 2 by 3 1/4, and this one is 3.5 by 2 1/4. As usual, I am leaving 1/4 of an inch larger than the smaller piece. So we're gonna be stamping these, and I haven't figured out just yet the colors. I'm thinking that I want to use the powder pink with blushing bright, and maybe a little bit of the calypso, or you know what, maybe a little bit of the flirt flamingo, because I want to have a little bit of let's just see, I want to have a little, maybe I just go with these two. Let's see how that looks. Or maybe I start first with these two. I haven't really played with it. That's why I put this piece of I just need to remember. So this is blushing bright, which is darker, and powder pink. So let's just see. I mean, they might look the same. So I'm gonna start with the lighter color, and then I'm just going to put a little bit of this one. You know what, I might just go all the way through and see if maybe putting out of the flamingo a little bit. Let's just see how this looks. Oh, I think it looks really nice. Honestly, I don't see a difference between, let's just see, between the powder pink and the Blush and Bright. So I won't be using that one. I'll probably just go with the Blush and Bright. Let me just make sure I don't have that. Yes. So I'm just gonna go with this one. And you know what? I might do this section, the bottom section. Well, I don't know. Yeah, the bottom section. So I'm just going to do a little bit of that. And you can tell I'm just doing a little bit. You can tell, well, I don't know that you can, but let's see. If I don't like it, then you know me. I'll be putting this, let's just see. I'm just gonna be flipping my cardstock, right? You know me by now. Oh yes, it looks amazing. See that? And again, it was just a little bit on the border, so that's nice. And then for the wishes, I'll probably go with the Flitter Flamingo, so it kind of coordinates with the bottom. And I'm going to be putting them, you know what, I know I want to put a piece of ribbon here, so I'm just going to be putting it here. Okay, so here it is. So that's how it looks. I feel like it looks really nice. So, and that's all our stamping for today. I'm going to be putting this one here. And, okay, so, you know what? I'm going to be putting this one here. I'm going to be using the Fast Fuse. Okay, so let's just do that. Now, I want to put a little bit of this, just to make it a little bit more, have something here. I'm going to be putting this piece of ribbon. Yes, like so. I just need to, okay, I probably need to do this. I need to just cut it. And you know what? I was thinking about putting it with white, but you know what? It might not look nicer to put a little bit of this foil, you know? Not foil, sorry, silver. I was thinking of the silver foil. But on these, okay, yes, I think I like this. And then I have, so let's just do this. So I'm going to be putting all of this together. I know it's taken me more than expected. Do you know what? I might even just like, I don't like that you don't really see it here. I'm gonna just put a bow here. So let's just see. I want to put it here. I'm gonna just use this to make the little note. Yeah, so it has some silver, and then I add a little. Okay. I'm gonna be able to just pull in a second, so don't get too. And then I'm gonna be putting this one here, that one here. Okay, perfect. Perfect. Okay, so then I can just cut it here and cut it there. Okay, and I'm gonna be adding, see, I just need to pull a little bit here and pull a little bit there, and then you can see them both like so. I might need to cut a little bit more of this one, and I'm just gonna add a little. I'm gonna be doing this double because I feel like it's too thin, so this might look nicer if I double it. Oh, what did it do? Oh my goodness. Let's go ahead again. Okay, let's see. There we go. And let's pull a little bit here. And this looks nicer. I am honestly enjoying making these little bows this way. And then also, if you notice, I have one string here and there. I feel like they look really nice that way. Don't you think? So I will put this one here, and I'll add this one there. How about that? Like so. So now let's just put everything together. That was all about that saying. So as usual, we're gonna be folding this in half. Alright. Oh, goodness gracious. Let's just add oh. Okay. Okay, here we go. I'm out of focus here. Okay. Perfect, perfect. Let's just do the same here. And then I'll put this one here. And we're going to be adding this one here. How about that? I might need to cut a little bit even more. So I'll be using dimensionals. And you know what? I have this pack of dimensionals that just got finished. So I always use the borders. So don't waste your borders. Always use them. Seriously. It still has glue. I've seen people throwing them away. So don't do that. I mean, they still work, you know. Let's just do that, and that one, and this one. So, oh, if I can peel it. Oh my goodness. Why is this happening? Oh my goodness. Let me just take this one out. I don't know what happened on that one. I'll put another one. Something must be going on with that one. Or this one. Huh. Oh, here we go. You know what? I don't know what's going on with us, but let me just put two to replace those that I couldn't peel off. I don't know what the deal was with those, and I didn't have more patience for that. But this one will go here in the middle. And then I'm going to be cutting in a little bit more. And here we go. So here it is. This is the card for today. Hope you have enjoyed again. I love this design series paper, and I feel this one will look really nice. So anyway, if you like my video, do subscribe to my YouTube channel. I try to post regularly on here, and also go ahead and visit my blog www.creatingwithali.com. I will have this card as well as all the items that I use in the description of this video, as well as my blog. So thank you so much, and see you soon.